I would like to share the story of my first PGP, that is topic on the malaria, which I presented as a postgraduate student. And when I asked to my seniors from where to read, he gave me a list of books like clinical pathology, parasitology, microbiology, Robbins, Harrison, seniors PPTs, articles. In fact, he tried to teach me about the pre-erythrocytic phases, hepatic phases, automations, lab investigations, and so many things. So finally, after 15 days of preparation, I started my presentation. On the day of presentation, still 60 to 70% questions were unanswered by me. The reason was very simple: I was not able to integrate and revise everything at once. So if you are facing the same problem, I have a solution today, and the solution is the book by Ramdas Naik sir and published by JP Publication.
Hello, my name is Dr. Chaitanya and welcome to my new YouTube video.
So after opening the book, this book is published recently in 2021 by the JP Publication and written by two authors, the Rakshata Naik and Ramdas Naik sir. And book is divided into three parts: basic pathology, general pathology, and third part is the immunopathology. Totally 17 chapters has been covered in this first part of this book. Opening to the basic pathology, you can see that the chapter outline is being given very nicely and neatly. So figures, boxes are given very neatly in this book. Figures are illustrated, boxes are very clear. In fact, charts are very clear. In red color you can get questions. So everything is at a place. After covering the first 5 chapters, it starts with the general pathology. And in general pathology also the pattern is same, like outline, chapter outline is very clearly with the what are the contents over there in these chapters, and each and every chapter has been covered very neatly from the basics to the advanced. So that is the beauty of this book. For example, in hemodynamic disorders, thromboembolism and shock disorders, they given the microscopic picture, pathophysiology, gross, and the description. So that is the one of the most important thing which we find very difficult when it comes to the PG level. So parasitic disease is basically the one which I was talking in introduction of this video. Here they have given everything regarding the parasite. Believe me, everything regarding the parasite, from the life cycle to its clinical implications, clinical features, pathophysiology of each and every clinical sign, symptoms, treatment part, gross features, histopathological features, whatever the questions they may ask you in exam, everything like integrating the microbiology, biochemistry, everything is there in this parasitology section. So let's have a look in the malaria chapter. So they have basically given the diagrams which you can illustrate in even exam also, charts starting from the basics, test interpretations, causes, molecular diagnosis, immunopathology, and even they cover the histopathology of malaria in the different organ. So that's the beauty. And the immunopathology, it starts with the basic of immunology and hypersensitivity reaction and normal response and goes to the very advanced level. So covered for the PG levels, but starting with the basic. It also covers the recent advanced topics and genetic diagnosis very well, like PCR, flow cytometries, and other techniques which are very difficult to read at from different places. So all these recent topics, including digital pathology, also been covered very well. So if you are a first year or second year PG or having 1 or 2 years in the hand, you can go through this book. These books not cover only basic, but it also covers the recent advances which are asked in previous or past and which are not given in any book other than this.